Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 of 17 Pearce Street in Christies Beach. It's getting harder and harder to find quality properties that are affordable in the beachside suburbs of Adelaide, but we've certainly found one here for you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse. It's the end one, so it's nice and quiet little spot, and it's got great sized lounge room, beautiful kitchen with stone bench tops, and it's got heaps of other features. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
Before you even try, no, we can take our time. Don't wanna cross a line, but would you be mine? We don't need to rush, we can slow it down. Say anything you want, you can get it done. How long will it be until you figure out you're more than just a friend? I need you around.
There you have it. It's a fantastic size home and really easy to look after. And I love the fact that the living areas are great size, awesome kitchen, and the bedrooms are all great size with good storage as well. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.